Nigerians on Twitter have discovered something about university halls in Ghana, and my mind burst. And me self, my mind burst because how Nigerians saw this and they saw the architecture, like the way the hostel is structured and everything. They were like, wow, Ghana must be heaven. So I decided to even check some of the pictures, like some of the pictures that have been posted online about Nigerian university halls. And ladies and gentlemen, what I discovered, I understand where they are coming from. Our halls and hostels are bad, but not to this level.
And also, if you are allergic to dirty environment,
watch some of the pictures and the videos.
it's about to go down. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lillian. If you are new here, feel free to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the post notification for more videos like this one. I just watched this video on Kojo Shadon and I'm like, I'm definitely gonna do it here, because anytime there's an opportunity for me to come back and tell y'all, my beloved subscribers that believe in me even without much proof, when I say something, you believe it. So I like to come back here to let you know that you see this girl here have been saying nothing but the truth. I mean, I'm talking about this video of Kojo Shadon reacting to the reactions of Nigerians on Twitter after they saw how the hostess in Ghana looks like. Here I am wondering, are these people on YouTube at all? Do Nigerians come on YouTube to watch videos? Because if they have been coming here to see videos, they would have seen how the school halls here looks like. And when I saw this on Kojo, and I'm like, okay, now they don't enter. Banter is coming. And I am not here to take side with Nigeria or with Ghana. I am here as a middle person.
Nigerians on Twitter have discovered something about university halls in Ghana, and my mind burst. And me self, my mind burst because how? We thought university halls they the standard thing where you ask a university you for have and if you know be all that clean and for be habitable. But some Nigerians on Twitter, them are brain boss. They are calling out their leaders. They are calling out the president and say, "Come and look at your mate." The university halls that we sit in this country and say, like, we don't have enough halls for our students, and some of these halls are in deplorable states. The Nigerians saw it and they were like, "Hey, this is heaven." What? This one, the banter material, but we go enter into one. We go enter into the story. So that's the story. Now, this is what brought about the whole conversation. Last week, Friday, in Koforidua, the President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, launched the no-fee stress policy. Now, the policy, which was a key promise in the 2024 election campaign, provides free tuition for all first-year students enrolled in public tertiary institutions across the country. Actually brought about a celebration. So the students were in their halls, they received the alert and they were jubilating, playing the song. I said, "Yo, mama, yo, mama." Okay, watch the video. So the student and they jubilate, say, you know, President Mahama said he was going to refund the money. He has refunded the money. So, hey, you know, hey, we on the street. And and they were happy, jubilating in their halls. And the video, someone captured the scene and posted the video on Twitter. And before I go enter what I come talk about, I sat on this platform and said the money was not going to be refunded to the students. The money has been refunded. My bad. Apologies to the president. Apologies to the minister for education. My bad. I take my L. Let us all move on. We all make mistakes. I said the president, the money was not going to be refunded, but the money has been refunded. So my bad. Let's move on. Now, we could enter the Nigeria side of conversation. So the video was posted. The video went viral. The video entered Niger Twitter. And they saw the students jubilating in halls like this, and they were like, what have we been living in this country? And when you come through the comments, you see like they are so mad. It's like Tinubu, come and look at Ghana, look at the hostels, look at the halls the students are living in and everything. And I sat down, I was like, is it that bad in Niger? It be that way the Kofi Kinata song obi nyawa yo obine de susini wudimpo. That be I sat down, and then the song started making sense to me. Say, hey, we with the sit here, they complain about this thing, our horse. Each and every year we are having a problem with like hall fees, hostel fees, and everything. The fact that some of the halls and hostels, the amount that they take from students, they don't even provide that quality of service. So we complain all the time. The fact that some of the students are four in a room and everything. Nigerians saw this and they saw the architecture, like the way the hostel is structured and everything. They were like, wow, Ghana must be heaven. And I saw some of the comments. People started posting, like sharing their hall and hostel experiences in Nigeria, universities and everything. I'm like, what? Because university halls there is normal. So I decided to even check some of the pictures, like some of the pictures that have been posted online about Nigerian university halls. And ladies and gentlemen, what I discovered, I understand where they are coming from.
Mind you, if you are eating, please don't watch this part, okay? Skip it. If you are eating right now, skip the part. And if you have your little ones, your little kids around you, skip this part, okay? And also, if you are allergic to dirty environment, if your body itches you just by looking at just by seeing a dirty environment, skip this part for your own good, okay? But if you want to take the risk, you can come. Let's go. Let's watch this part together.
Our halls and hostels are bad, but not to this level. Watch some of the pictures and the videos. Not to this level. Not to this level. So I understand where they are coming from, because if hostel they look like this, then nah, bro. I do understand why they saw the student jubilating in the hall like this, and they are awed by the whole thing. Like hey, this is beautiful. But how wanna leaders just be useless on this continent? Because look at halls. Some of the students say they get, like, if they relive some of the memories, like some of the things that they experience in the halls now, it busts them my mind. Because how? Like, and they are talking about like big premium universities in Nigeria not having like quality hostels.
First, I want to thank God that I did not attend any of these universities, so I didn't have to experience this nyama nyama. I don't think there's any prison in the world that looks as dirty as what you just saw in this video. Ladies and gentlemen, the same people that used to come and tell you common Ghana, ordinary Ghana, and majority of the people telling you that if I want to check out the locations of these schools, these campuses, these hostels, you see that they are from those people that make the loudest noise all the time. They are the first to say, waiting there, Ghana na small. You see, people that makes the loudest noise. Yeah, I want to thank God for my life that I did not experience this. And because of what I'm seeing, if any of my child is going to a uni in Nigeria, by the grace of God, that child will have to go from the house to the school and come back home and maybe live with a family member or live outside of the campus and go to school from the house. Anyway, that is the new banter that is about to come. Nigerians, what are you going to use against Ghanaians? Nothing. Everything here is set. School now, university, free. Please, I want to use this opportunity to appeal to the government of Ghana to readjust their constitution. Ghanaian, if a Nigerian man is married to a Ghanaian woman, don't give the man citizenship, okay? He is not qualified to be a citizen of Ghana. Change it. Otherwise, ladies and gentlemen, in the next 4 years, a lot of your sisters will be heartbroken and some of them will not be able to handle what is to come, because some Nigerian men are very trickish. The ones that have kids will arrange with their wives. They will pretend to be in love with you and then they will come marry you. You will think, okay, Maudogu, after he collects citizenship finish, he will go to Nigeria and bring his real family, come and stay here. You will find out and collapse and buy. May you not buy. It's not a cause, I'm just warning you. So put that into law. Anyway, let's see what Nigerians will bring up against Ghana. This one sweets me because now you know what I've been talking about. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you will give it a like. To-dos.